Spark fire, but we're inside from a double barrel.